Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 10th English book Footprints Without Feet. 28 class 10th English book Footprints Without Feet. Footprints without feet. This is the name of book and chapter is a question of trust. A question of trust. Okay. A question of trust. This is chapter. Okay. So in this chapter we will discuss about a short summary, and the first character is Horace Denby. He is a character of this story, and here writer is described Horace Denby was an expert locksmith. Who was Horace Denby's locksmith? Okay. He was 50 years old, unmarried and lived alone. 50 years old, unmarried, okay, and lived alone. Why Horace robbed a safe? He had developed a taste for reading rare and expensive books. Okay, to buy these books, he robbed a safe once a year. Only once, 15 years back, he got arrested. Miss Horace Denby was arrested only once. 15 years back he got arrested. Latest target. His latest target was Shotover Grange. His latest target was Shotover Grange. He had read about the details of this house and its safe behind an old painting in magazine. It had jewels worth £15,000 in it. In this way, we can say that Horace Denby made a greatest target because he wants to rob a house. So this was the latest target for Horace Denby. Planned robbery, and Horace Denby made a plan for robbery. He carefully studied the house for 2 weeks and planned the robbery. Means in this way we can say that when a robber wants to rob anybody or any house, then he had to make a kind of plan. Entered Shotover Grange. One day when the servants, here we can say that he had made a target over a house to rob, that was Shotover Grange. One day when the servants had gone to see a movie, he came from the back garden, took the key from the hook in the kitchen door and entered the house. Means in this heading, writer is telling how Horace Denby entered in that house to rob. He made friends with the house dog by calling him with his name Sherry. Means in that house there was a dog and the name of dog was Sherry. Okay. Horace Denby was so much experienced holder. When dog started to bark over Horace Denby, he made a friend to the dog named Sherry. attack of hay fever. As he was about to open the safe with gloved hand, he started sneezing. When he was near about to open the door, at that time he started sneezing. He had an attack of hay fever. The pollen grains from the flour on the table caused it. Confronting the lady in red dress. Just then he heard a voice from the doorway. A pretty woman in red dress asked him if he had hay fever. Okay, means here writer is telling about confronting the lady in red dress. Horace was taken aback, means he became surprised. He tried to scare the woman by threatening to hurt her, but she was not scared. Yes, Horace tried to threatening her, but she did not scare. Lady tricks Horace. The lady posed herself as the mistress of the house. Means that lady told to the Horace Danby that she was the master of this house. So she was the mistress of this house and told him that she could let him go and not inform the police provided he opened the safe for her. She wanted to wear the jewelry in the safe at a dinner party that evening, but he had forgotten the number code to open the safe. To please the woman, he removed his gloves, lighted her cigarette, and with the bare hands opened the safe for her. In this way, we can say that Horace Danby was the experienced holder, but just now he is failed. Arrested by police on the third day, a policeman arrested him for robbery at the Sartover Grange. His fingerprints were found on the safe. Nobody believed Horace's story. When Horace told the police that he had opened the safe for the lady of the house, nobody believed his story because the real lady or the owner of the Grange was sharp-tongued old lady of 60. Horace was cheated. In this way, we can say that Horace was experienced holder, however, but here he defeated by a lady. In fact, the lady in red dress was another thief who was cheated him by posing to be the lady of the house. Means a thief was deceived by a thief. Horace in jail. Horace is now assistant librarian in jail. What makes Horace angry? He could never forget the lady who had cheated him. He gets angry to hear honor among the thieves. He is said angry to hear honor among the honor among the thieves. The thieves. Okay. So in this way we can say that the story of the chapter A Question of Trust is completed, and your homework is that try to write short summary of this chapter in your own words. You guys?